Hiya, I'm Simon Mole and I am a poet. Today we're going to be running a rhyme race. You take one word, in this case, mole, and then working in partners or small teams. You think of as many words as you can that rhyme with that word. Bowl, soul, stroll, patrol, control. Remember, a rhyming word ends with the same sound, but it doesn't have to end with the same letters. So, in a moment you're going to get yourself some paper and a pen, and in your teams or on your own, take a few minutes to note down as many words as you can that rhyme with mole. So, pause the video whilst you do that, and then hit play when you're ready to move on. Nice one. In a moment, that list of rhyming words is going to be really useful. See, poems don't have to rhyme, but if you use rhyme well, it can sound brilliant. The thing is, and I'm sure that we have all done this at some point, occasionally you use a word in your poem which doesn't really make sense, just because it was the first rhyming word that happened to pop into your head. Maybe you're writing about a dream holiday, the sun, the sand in the Bahamas, when onto the beach runs a llama in pajamas, ridden by a farmer in shining armour, and none of them had anything to do with your poem. But because you've learnt how to run the rhyme race, you will never need to commit a rhyme crime again. So, your challenge today is to think of a line which will come after the first line of a poem that I've just made up. There once was a poet called Simon Mole. Your line has to be a rhyming line. And to do that, in a moment, you're going to look back at your list of rhyming words, your rhyme bank. You're going to think, do any of these connect, or could they connect with the first line that I've just given you? Maybe there's a hole that I could fall down, or a troll who could whack me over the head with a saucepan. Your rhyming word doesn't have to come at the end of your line, but that is a good way to practice them. There once was a poet called Simon Mole who lived inside a sausage roll. Obviously your line's probably going to be better than that one, but you can see how it flows quite nicely with the rhyming word at the end of the line. So, pause the video to come up with a rhyming line that follows on from my one, and then hit play when you're ready to move on. Great. Feel free to whack up your suggestions in the comments underneath the video. And if you're trying to use rhyme for a poem in the future, you can just use the same simple steps that we've done today. 1. You run your rhyme race, thinking of as many rhyming words as you can for the word at the end of your line. 2. You pick a few of those rhyming words which will make sense as part of your poem. 3. You put those rhyming words in a new line, boom, that's it. So, if you've enjoyed the video today and you want to try these new skills out, you can have a go at my Rhyme Genius video. And if you'd like to subscribe to the channel, you can do so now. Thanks for watching.